Camplux sent me one of their instant water heaters. I just unboxed it to see what's included in this kit, and I'm excited based on what I've seen so far. It is lightweight, it is compact, it has a handle, so you can carry it around, or you can use that handle actually to hang it on hooks, depending on how you want to set it up, or you could install it somewhere if you needed to. Included with this water heater is a shower head, the hose for the water to get to the shower head, a wall attachment, that kind of thing, everything you would need to set that up. In addition, there is the water pump kit. Now, this is about a 1.5 gallon per minute water heater, and this is a 1.6 gallon per minute water pump. So you're all set there once you have water available. But also included in the kit are all the hoses and attachments and wiring and everything you would need to get this thing up and running. A few things jumped out at me when I was unboxing this. Let's talk about the connections, both for the water heater and for the water pump. There are quick disconnects included. That is going to be a time saver if you happen to use this as a mobile unit where you are setting it up and taking it down regularly. It includes a shower head. Maybe that would be expected, maybe not. But here's something that's not expected. It's not just an on and off switch on this shower head. It has several different settings so you can change the type of spray that is coming out of the shower head. That's more than you would expect, I think, from this kind of operation. And then there's other little niceties that they do. For example, there's two different ways to power this unit. You can either plug it into DC, either maybe in your vehicle, or you would be able to use a portable power bank like a Jackery or something that has a DC plug, or you can use these alligator clips and connect it directly to a car battery, an auxiliary battery, whatever you have available. One of the things I noticed that's really nice and seems to be an improvement over what I saw in some earlier posts and videos about this Camplux product is that you no longer have to wire everything together yourself. They now come with plugs ready to go. There's one attached to the water pump, and the connectors then are on the end of either the alligator clips or the DC plug. Again, it's plug and play. It's going to be ready to go. You don't have to do any wiring and making sure everything's tight. Not a big deal for some people, but others are uncomfortable dealing with wiring. So that is a really nice feature. Obviously, it has a user manual to have you get everything set up correctly. I should mention, obviously, this is a propane water heater, and it does have a 5-foot propane hose, so that's a nice length to be able to get it set up somewhere and not have your propane tank right underfoot. It has, I think it's about a 3-foot hose maybe for the shower. That could be a little bit longer, but that's probably plenty. And then the water lines that come with the water pump are just over about 6 feet, I'd say. And there's obviously one of those for water going into the pump and one of those for water coming out. So that much hose should give you an opportunity to set it up in a way that, again, the machinery is not going to be underfoot while you're taking a shower or trying to do dishes, that kind of thing. It also has a battery operated ignition. So once you have propane, a couple of batteries, and some way to power the water pump from a battery or a portable power pack, whatever you have, you're going to have instant hot water. And I am really excited about getting this thing set up, putting it to the test, and seeing what we can do to enjoy some nice hot water when we're out camping.